Cyberbullying is becoming a bigger and bigger deal now that technology is growing more popularly. Cyberbullying is the use of electronic communication to bully a person. It can involve teasing, threatening, intimidation, cyber stalking, public or private humiliation, and social exclusion. It is typically seen on social media accounts where people make fun of someone publicly, or it can be seen through direct messaging where bullies intimidate or threaten their victims privately. Cyberbullying affects a person more psychologically than physically, whereas bullying is a combination of both. Cyberbullying can cause a person so much distress that they end up not feeling confident about themselves. They end up having to switch schools, have their family move, and they may even have to require psychological help. And if it's bad enough, it can even push someone to commit suicide. It's sad that people are out there that are cruel enough to make someone end their life when they have their whole life ahead of them. According to cyberbullying statistics from the iSafe Foundation, over one half of teens and adolescents have been bullied online. 1/3 of them have experienced cyber threats, and well over half of young people don't end up telling an adult or parent when the bullying occurs. These are some overwhelming numbers. What can we do to stop cyberbullying? We can explain to our kids at a very young age never to retaliate bullies because it can only make the situation worse. It is good to collect all of the evidence that there is, like screenshots, and save all of your messages from those bullies. Make sure to change your settings to private and block people when necessary. And make sure to stick up for other people who are being bullied so you can help them put an end to it. And never get caught up in bullying yourself. Bullying is just not okay. And make sure it is, if it's happening to you, just please tell a parent or an adult. If you respond quickly and consistently to bullying behavior, it gives them the idea that it is an inappropriate behavior. It can stop the bullying quickly. It is important to prevent bullying by talking about it, creating a safe environment, and creating a community-wide bullying prevention strategy. Bullying is never okay, like I said. Everyone is different and unique in their own way, and we just have to respect that. And everyone is worth it. So please, please do not bully. Thanks.